28 shit.
Two things I never seen a nigga named Bigfoot in a hoe I need. Keep the back door closed, gotta lock it, throw away the key. We can be a state away, you turn if I ain't got my ski. 2023, we got built-in switches on them glees. Straight kid, don't ask, we take shit like a blunt, we face shit. Nigga lake shit, keep it shoes tight, know some niggas trip, they can run right. You throw sticks and we throw bullets out the stick. You a bitch, I'm a real nigga, he a mama boy. Jump out the porch, know a nigga had to babysit him on God. Not wait off the nigga like a BBL. Slide all day like a CDL. Hard to give a beat like a CD player. Fuck a classy bitch, I want a ratchet bitch. Give me a city girl. I'm capping for tell Dre I'm Michelle and a young nigga rock up world. Come on, wrist, glisten, chain, glisten. Like my manners tripping. Memphis nigga talk with a slur. She say my grandma different. Police come get me. My name Benny. Nigga, I wasn't in it. Fuck the judge. Nigga, I'm illiterate. I be dodging sentences. Pistol packing, never lacking. Run up, get your issue. Guns clapping, pussy grabbing, Donald Trump militia. Pants sagging, mama nagging, like who raided nigga. My bitch like a backwood, your hoe like a Swiss.
Bitch, I'm a pistol packing, yeah, what's cracking? Play, but he go missing. Fully auto ARP, equipped the scope so I don't miss. Ask the city about me, nigga, they gon' tell you I've been spinning. On the street, who got more killers? Know them pussies ain't the feeling. Anyway, I just made 50K, spent 30 on my dentist. Up to 20 on my image, like 3K walk for my kids. I was just spoken in a bitch, now I have combos about business. Real estate and gaming interest, double up, I need a witness. Think I'm a hoe, come and show me. Been ballin' Ginobili, no killers, that's hoopers and rollers. With this chop, I shoot like I'm Kobe. So if you don't know me, it's best to walk like if you troll. 600 in my hood, I control it. And if you ain't know it, just come to my block and I show it. No snakes in my grass, cause I'm more. Hell nah, I ain't going. You kick that back door and I'm blowing. Ayy, who you know really have it? This pistol on me, so I'm saying my mama don't like it, I told her it's fashion. Niggas fake, so it's best that I have it. Talk the last bitch I hit, she was average. But my new bitch, I swear she the baddest. You know that you know I'm from Dallas, so I'm with a Mavis. So nigga, you know we pistol packing, never lacking. Run up, get your ish. Guns clapping, pussy grabbing, don't know.
Yeah, they're just dumping you because they're mad. You're mad. Suck my balls.